Every single day, a legal and compliance team spent hours manually auditing the contracts and NDAs and BAs to find regulatory violations. A single missed clause, like sharing a protected health or information under HIPAA without a proper business associate agreement, can cause an organization millions of regulatory fines. Today, I'm excited to present the Compliance Document Auditor, an intelligent multi-agent pipeline designed to automate and secure legal document review. Again, this is the Compliance Document Auditor project, which is some coming under the category of agents for business. Let me talk about this project. Our project is belong to this agent for business track, which is a production ready, secure contract auditing of application powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash, and but entirely on the JDK Google agent development key workflow graph API. By combining the specialist AJ agents and a local MCP server, we created a system that is fast, consistent, secure. As you see on the screen, this is a project banner for the project which we created. And this is designed to act as an automated first line of defense for corporate legal teams, highlighting risk exposure area plans. Let's go to the architecture now. And as per the architecture diagram you see here, when a user submits a document, it goes through a security checkpoint. Not scrubs PAI, blocks prompt ingestions and logs an event to a structured JSON format, and then its safe request pass through for orchestrator, which invokes a compliant orchestrator agent, and then it leverages to with the tools, specialized tools to delegate subtasks into different areas, and for evaluating the metadata structure and analysis to text to check the text against the regulatory framework for HIPAA, SOC, 2 and secure rules, etc. And then once it is identified which is a critical one or something, then it has to go through a human evaluating process like a human officer or something, and then the graph advance to remediation and then reporting node, where remediation agent drafts a legal fix for recommendations and it proceeds further for a final audit report. Let's go through a live demo. The live demo which we wanted to showcase with a use case with the NDA, standard compliance NDA approach. I wanted to take this input and then pass it over to our local testing playground here. And I'm passing over here. Let me copy back again. This is the copy here, and it's passing over here. And then once you process it, it will go through the different stages. And if this is falling under high risk, then it has to pass through a human intelligent officer review. And then once it is sorted out, then it will wait for a human officer's approval process, where we can approve it manually. And then once it is proceeded with the approval process, then it completes basically. So it's waiting for an approval process here. And then once it is provide the security approval process, then it has to evaluate the status. It's pending for approval for a human approval process officer, you see here. And let's wait for further actions. Security checkpoint. The submitted document is too short, minimum of characters like audit, as it says. Let's review the 6 months. This is provided. Let's pass it again and see how it works. Now it look through the intake agent process, and it evaluates, it analyzes, It needs approval. So I need to type the approval process here, which finally it got approved. And then once it is delivered, the report here. So this is how test cases works here. After providing the approval process, it generate the report here, the remediation action plan. So this completes the project over here. And then thank you for watching. Again, this for the compliance auditor project. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks.